At Affordable Medical Equipment, we understand that managing out-of-pocket health expenses can be challenging. That's why we offer various payment methods to provide you with flexibility and convenience. Here's how you can pay for your health-related purchases. Use your FSA Health spending cards for hassle-free medical purchases. We accept cash, checks, debit cards, and credit cards for your convenience. Explore CareCredit, a health and wellness credit card designed to cover various treatments and procedures. Enjoy the flexibility of making convenient monthly payments. Introducing BreadPay, a pay-over-time technology solution with 2 flexible plans. Installment Plan. Choose terms from 3 to 48 months with easy-to-understand equal payments. SplitPay Plan. Make 4 payments every 2 weeks, each being 25% of the original purchase amount. Prequalification is available to check your likelihood of approval without impacting your credit score. Checking your eligibility with BreadPay involves a soft inquiry, ensuring no impact on your credit score. Opting for a BreadPay payment plan after confirming eligibility does not result in a hard inquiry with credit reporting agencies. BreadPay may report repayment information to consumer reporting agencies, potentially impacting your credit score. Our bank affiliate, Comenity Capital Bank, assesses eligibility based on factors such as your credit score and repayment history. If you face issues receiving your mobile verification code, wait a few minutes before requesting a new code to avoid multiple texts. Ensure the provided mobile number can receive text messages. 5 attempts are allowed for code validation before a 15-minute block. If issues persist, request a new code by selecting Resend Code. Prepaid or Cricket phones may not receive codes. For additional assistance, contact our member support team and choose the payment option that suits your needs and experience the flexibility of paying for your health expenses over time with our comprehensive